Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome to Ashish Kyal Training Gurukul. This is a very quick announcement for a free webinar which I'm going to conduct on 6th of November, Saturday at 11 a.m., 11 to 1 p.m. And this time I'm going to talk about how to combine candlestick along with Elliott wave and time cycle. Yes, we have heard it right. The reason I am doing this is because so many of you, the past webinar which I conducted, there were more than 10,000 participants who viewed that webinar and it was fantastic. So, and then many have asked, sir, we know you expertise on Elliott wave and cycle analysis and timing the market. So why not to combine both the best of the strategy together and do it? तो ये जो सैटरडे को वेबिनार होने वाला है, it's going to be a free webinar for 2 hours, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And I'm going to talk how to step by step look at the charts, identify the wave along with candlestick and time cycle. दोनों चीज combine होगी. Now you might be thinking कि ये जो webinar है, this is a very advanced level webinar. I'm just starting. I'm a beginner. I have no clue about markets. So how I am going to do it? It does not matter. If you have attended my past webinar, which was last Saturday, I've talked about that on a Monday post 11:30 a.m. markets can rise, and Nifty rallied by more than 200 points after that, and exactly like we discussed in on the Saturday webinar. So this Saturday again, which is of 6th of November, I am going to be talking exactly about when the market is going to go up or come down, and I'm going to also tell you precisely how to trade using simple candlestick and what is Elliott wave actually, and how to look at that Elliott wave pattern in a very simple step by step layman's language. You don't really have to be a trader, you don't really have to be an expert, or if you are already, there is always something for everyone, and you are going to see how it can drastically improve your accuracy. That's one. It is, I'm going to share across a technique that you can immediately apply from the next trading session immediately, so you can get this as a one of a very important giveaway. Next, you are also going to get access to free webinar video recordings. Post this webinar, you will get access to that. So why you don't want to register for this and get yourself all the free passes to the all the free events that I conduct? And it does not stop there. You will also be getting access to an exclusive video which can change the way you look at the market. That's what I am saying. और ये वेबिनार होगा हिंदी और इंग्लिश में मिक्स होगा. तो अगर आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, खाली हिंदी आती है, तो भी आप अटेंड कर सकते हो. Also, now why learn from me? That's what the question. So I'm a chartered market technician from US. I have done that. I'm an engineer, and I have also did my masters, and I have authored a book, Effective Trading in Financial Markets Using Technical Analysis, which is published in October 2020, available globally in London, in US, in India. So I've authored a book, and I understand the psyche of a trader. So I've been trading for more than 15 years now. I'm a mentor. I've trained more than 10,000 people who have been a part of the various programs that I conduct. So I know how it works in the market, and I am ensuring you, it's my commitment that you are going to change the way you look at the markets. And this is not what I say. This is what every participant of this free webinar talks about after the webinar is done. They say that it's simply fabulous. People make money once they are there. So this is all about pursuing your dream, your passion. You create a source of parallel income, a passive income that is possible. But for that, you have to take that step forward. What is that step forward? Simply go and register now on wavestrategy.com/webinar. The link will be shared across. You can see it in the description, in the comment section. Just register there and you will be all set. You will receive, it's an online training on a Zoom platform. You'll receive the link in your inbox on a Friday. So ensure that you do not miss this golden opportunity, because when this session is going to be life changer experience for you. For me, I worked with Lehman Brothers also. I worked with National Stock Exchange IT earlier. I worked with many companies. I worked with hedge funds and I know that what they do, how they do it. और वही चीज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ in this program. And why I am doing it is because I am very passionate about it and it works brilliantly for me. So agar you are joyful and something is working for you, don't you want to share it across with the world? That's what I am doing it here. So just be a part of this wonderful opportunity where it will become possible. Like I say, your dream come true. That's a possibility, but you have to take that action, take that responsibility of being a part of this. So you have nothing to lose. You have only to gain. Ask your friends, your family members to join in, and they will be amazed themselves. Also, I want to tell you one more thing. Be there on time. Ensure you are logged in by 10:45 because we go houseful and then there can be trouble logging in. So ensure you are there on time. So again, the repeat, the webinar is on 6th of November, which is on a Saturday, 11 a.m., 2 hours, life-changing experience. Trust me on that. And my commitment to you is the way you look at the markets, right from using options for intraday trading to position sizing, everything that is going to change the way you are looking at it right now. So we will discuss a lot about intraday trading, looking at candlestick, looking at timing the market to the very 5 minutes. Yes, we will do that. And also combine Elliott wave this time to make it a classic trading system. Okay, this is Ashish Kal signing off. Thank you very much. I hope to see you on Saturday at 11 and 6th of November and ensure that you register for this event prior. Otherwise, you will not be able to get the access. And this is only for the people who are part of the webinar will be receiving the access for this program. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day and wish you all a very happy Diwali and prosperous New Year. Stay safe, stay blessed and enjoy the festivities with your family. Thank you.